Ano lang, as always, mahirap naman talaga for kahit kaninong team na tatlong dikit na talo, no? Going back into the first round of the eliminations. After 4 straight victories, tatlong dikit na talo, then you go up against the #1 team in the league, San Beda. So, wala, very relaxed lang. I just told my players to play relaxed basketball. And if kung may na-notice kayo, we tried to adapt yung old style of basketball.
Zone?
Zone, keep the pace slow as much as possible. Let's have one decent attempt. If we can have 2 opportunities every possession, so much the better. At the same time, we want the game to be slow and the score to be low. At yun lang ang ano namin na sana at the end, magkaroon kami ng opportunity to win. Lamang kami going into the final quarter by 9 points or 7 points. Kung magpapalitan na lang ng basket, sabi ko gano'n. Kasi wala kaming instructions to go for fast breaks, to go for early attacks. Wala kaming instructions to go for transition plays. Wala kaming instructions for quick basketball. We adapted the old school of basketball, which is dribble, ubos oras, pagdating ng last 5 seconds, tira tayo.
Zone ko. Si Kelvin, Coach Kelvin.
Kelvin, he presided over the attack, no? He was, alam mo naman, hopefully he's back to his normal self. Wala na yung back spasms niya. He's getting back into it and he's
Coming back from injury, no?
He's talagang the leader of the team, eh. Yes.
Yung sinasabi mo, paano mo nalaman na yun ang effective sa beta?
Hindi naman, no? Ano lang kami, sumubok lang kami.
Sumubok lang.
Kasi alam naman natin, San Beda, rara type of basketball. And we cannot compete with them in that kind of, with their skills, with their talents, hindi kami mananalo. So we tried a different approach and may resulta naman.
By playing slow, syempre, kailangan mo dumepensa.
Yes.
Masabi mo sa depensa.
Yun, we held our own against the likes of Equest, Cubal, and their shooters. Yung lately lang, nag-adjust ako to a box and one defense dahil yung shooter nila, what's his name? Nakadalawang dikit na tres, no? So, I have to assign somebody na talagang didikit sa kanya. But the rest, naka-zone pa rin. You know, so, sana this win will perk up the players going into the next 5 games.